Oh my god.
ついに
Yes! No, but no, I'm gonna have to wait a year for this shit, aren't I? No! No! Wait, this is the ending. This is Eve. This is Eve. This is Eve. This sounds like Eve. This sounds like Eve. I said this sounds like Eve as if he was singing. It was a fucking guitar. What did I mean by that? This... Oh my god. Why is it over? There we go. There we go. This is the music I want! She's wearing a skirt. You can't be doing this. You can't be doing this. Why are they dressed like they're going to the zoo? What was that? Why did I look away for a second? Yes, this is all I needed in the episode, to be honest. They're on the swings. This is so wholesome. They're friends. He's literally a friend. Is this what I gotta do to get friends? Develop a cigarette addiction? She's riding a horse! There's that Eve voice, yes! Can we get a whole show like this? Let me listen to the song. This is good. This is what I want. He smiled. He smiled. Aki smiled. If my best friend died, I'd smile too. Whose leg is that? Oh, fuck. See, I am gay. You couldn't swap those scenes? I saw that six-pack. I think I am gay. Come on! Look at that. He has a nice six-pack. With sweatpants on. Yeah, oh my, wait, I'm Aki! Yeah, but I don't have a six-pack, I have blubber.
No, you don't!
I have blub. Anime food. I'll never stop simping over anime food. Anime food looks better than real food, look at that. This is just incredible. Saku donuts. Oh god, I'd put my tongue through those holes. It's longer. It's extended. Eve! Eve! It's about damn time you showed up, Meowie. Where the fuck have you been? Meowie! You have to fit Pochita in here. You have to. How dare you not do it? You better. I can't believe what I'm looking at. This is so cute. Is this canon? Or is this just for fun?